How to turn off all vibration on iPhone. Turning off all vibration on your iPhone, including system vibration, is very easy, and here is how to do it. First of all you have to do is tap on the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and there you will get to see Accessibility option available and simply tap on it. Once inside Accessibility, scroll down and tap on the Touch option available there. And once inside Touch, again scroll down and there you will get to see Vibration option available. Now toggle the switch off and this will disable all vibration even for emergency alerts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.